Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tastyworks, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Tastyworks. Press enter to navigate to the Tastyworks login page. On the home page, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. You will now see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Once all information is filled out, click on the Login button. If your entered details are correct, you will be redirected to your Tastyworks account dashboard. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection. You can also disable any browser extensions that may interfere with the login process. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. After logging in successfully, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore various features available in your Tastyworks account. You are now ready to start trading or managing your investments on Tastyworks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.